MashaAllah. I might be giving my Rolls Royce to my cameraman, you know. Guys, he's asked me if I've sold the car.
MashaAllah,
That's crazy. Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope y'all are doing good. Just got done hitting the gym, swimming and all of that stuff, alhamdulillah. It was an amazing time. Now we're gonna be going somewhere special. I mean, look at the view guys, mashallah. I was mesmerized this view. And there's something special waiting for us on that side. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys what is currently happening, what happened to the Porsche, what is gonna happen to my Rolls Royce, and what is going to be the next future car that I'm going to have. And before you click off this video, I'm going to be doing a $150 giveaway in this video right over here. So make sure you watch until the end to see how you could potentially win this $150. So all you have to do is watch until the end. And there it is, boys, mashallah. We have the surprise right over here. We have the Lamborghini and we have the Rolls Royce. And this might be my new car, inshallah. We're gonna be going on a test drive. This is my first ever day having it, and we're gonna be seeing if it's really worth it or not. And I'm gonna tell you guys what happened to the Porsche, what is gonna happen to my Rolls Royce. So without further ado, let's keep the gym bag inside and let's drive. Alright boys, gym bag inside. We've got the Lamborghini right over here, the most beautiful color I probably could see in a Lamborghini, and we've got my Rolls Royce matte black, and we're gonna be going on a ride right now. But first, let's go somewhere quiet and let's talk about what is currently happening. So, guys, I might be giving my Rolls Royce to my cameraman, you know, he's a gentleman, so he might get it. Right over here beside me is the Rolls Royce, and my boy's gonna be driving it, so let's do it, inshallah. The main reason why I even have a Lamborghini is because I might be getting a Lamborghini Urus, guys. Now, there's a lot of conspiracies about me getting a smaller, low Lamborghini, but guys, I do not think it's worth it to get, you know, a Lamborghini that's two-door. I think for that, I would go with a Ferrari, but for now, I am definitely thinking about getting an SUV Lamborghini, which is this one right over here, the one that I'm driving. It's so beautiful, guys, and it's very, very, very comfortable, unlike the smaller Lamborghinis, which is actually a pain in the ass. You cannot really drive it, you cannot really have fun with it, and it really, really hurts, you know, driving most of the time due to the fact that, of course, it's a very small car. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be parking somewhere, talking to you guys, and telling you guys, how the fuck do I even have a Lamborghini with me right now? I might just park the Rolls Royce and I'm in the Lamborghini right over here, guys. Let's see how his experience was with the Rolls Royce. Ahmed,
Yeah,
how's your experience?
it's so good, wallah.
So
Would you
good.
trade?
Huh?
Would you trade with my car?
With your Lambo?
No, with my Mercedes. The Lambo is yours now.
And the best thing about this car is the fact that it's actually more comfortable than the smaller Lamborghinis. The smaller Lamborghinis, man,
Yeah, I remember.
they're such a pain. Alright guys, unfortunately all of my friends are actually busy or they're not here, so without further ado, let me just show you guys the car, at least what it looks like, the color and everything. The color is, what do you call this color?
In Arabic, we call it Dam al Ghazal.
Dam al-Ghazal, damn,
Like
that's
the
crazy.
blood of the, you know, Ghazal?
Yeah, eagle.
Yeah.
We call it,
Not eagle. Eagle is the thing which fly.
yeah,
No, Ghazal.
it's in the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, Taus. So yeah, this is the car right over here, guys. It's the Urus, mashallah. It's so beautiful, guys. I know we haven't done a sound test, so right now I'm just gonna do a sound test real quick. There's a lot of police here, so we're gonna have to be careful. But without further ado, let's do it.
Let's test it out.
That's basically the sound check. It's not in Corsa mode, we cannot put it right now, but that is basically how it sounds, mashallah. You guys already know the back. This is what the back looks like. Very empty, but it looks very spacious, guys.
Sleep here.
We can actually sleep here. That's so true. That is. So yeah, this is the back of the car, guys. It's very spacious and all of that stuff, guys. And you know, one thing about me is that I truly hate cars that is like too small. It's like a box, you know. That's one of them is like smaller Lamborghinis. Porsche, I would still pass it, guys. It's very small, but I would still pass it just because Porsche is too good, man. But with the Lamborghinis, man, I could never go with the smaller ones. I think my type is, you know, the big SUVs, which has, by the way, a very nice shape. It has these two exhausts, which is called Neve, and they look amazing on the car, to be honest. And we have the back seat of the cars. This is what they look like. The back seat of the cars is so cold, guys. Like, wallahi, I love it. And this car literally smells like it's brand new. Like, I literally took it out of the factory. As you guys can see, it's so clean. There's almost no damage or whatever. They even have got full access to the AC of their own. And the screens are all digital, guys. So this is like the seat heater. Let me just turn it off. And everything in this car is so futuristic, mashallah. This is a 2023 model, so it's very new, mashallah. If I had to choose one between the Rolls-Royce and the Lamborghini Urus, in my genuine honest opinion, guys, it would be the Urus. I never thought I would go with a red color car, but like, after seeing this car, I wouldn't even mind it, to be honest, guys. Like, look at how beautiful this car looks. So this is basically what my view looks like. Let me get the camera, guys. So this is my view, guys. I've got my steering wheel right over here. So this is basically the front section right over here, and it's too low. But this right over here, wait, does it have seat massage?
I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think so either. But yeah, this is my view, guys. Right over here, I can change the modes, and right over here, this is how Lamborghinis work, guys. So let me put my foot on the brake. So if I press it one time, it goes in reverse. But if I press the shifter once, it goes into the D. So it literally starts driving. So right over here, we've got on and off. And to put in the parking, we just press the P right over here. And that's exactly how this car works. I wouldn't mind trading my car. Oh, it's actually a seat massager.
Wallah? I played it from here.
Yeah, it's actually a seat massager. I am currently back-shotted in the back. I mean, back massaged in the back, guys. And it feels so comfortable. Wow, that's actually so good. So I am currently in the Lamborghini, guys, getting massaged, which is something that my Rolls-Royce doesn't have. I think it just gives us a clear and final answer. Alright, guys, we're finally done with the review of the car. We're gonna be checking out with my friends and surprising them. Here's our Rolls-Royce, mashallah, as you guys can see. So yeah, right now we're gonna be heading out to our friends. We're gonna be surprising them with the car. And we're going to be seeing their reaction for this Urus. We're going to be seeing if they like it, if they will not like it, if they will still tell me to get the Porsche or not. So we're only going to find out, but first let's park the car and let's actually go pray, because that's very important. So we're going to be praying and then going out and, you know, surprising my friends, inshallah. Alright, boys, we're about to go pick up our first friend, who's Nabil, my oldest friend, I think 7 or 8 years. Right now we're gonna go surprise him with the Rolls-Royce. There was a Porsche he was trying to race, but you know, we don't do it here. We're actually gonna do it in probably the track. If you guys already know, off camera we do it anywhere, but on camera, of course, on the track itself, inshallah. And it's gonna be a fun one, guys. I'm gonna be putting my Rolls-Royce against this Lamborghini right over here. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, guys, 1,000 likes on this video, and I'm gonna be putting the Rolls-Royce against this Lamborghini on a track race, and we're gonna be seeing who's actually gonna win. Alright, guys, I think it's time to surprise Nabil, our very good friend. Where did he go? Bro, I don't see him. Oh, did he park there?
No way, homie.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother? How's everything? You get taller every single time, mashallah.
It's a shoe, man. It's a shoe.
How are you, brother? How's everything?
Oh, mashallah, the car, bro. What up with the car, man?
Let's go. I saw the Rolls-Royce.
No way.
Really?
Nah, bro, you're joking.
That is.
No, you're joking.
Guys, I gotta walk on my heels when I'm walking with Nabil.
No, bro, it's my shoes. Just
It's fine.
look at how I take my shoes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
No,
Mashallah.
but you seriously have sold the car?
Guys, he's asked me if I've sold the car. Alright, so we've got
تبارك الرحمن يا أخي.
the Lamborghini, bro. What do you think?
والله, bro.
Porsche or Lambo?
Lambo, definitely.
Lambo?
Yeah.
Tell him about the new number plate.
ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن.
What do you think?
No, that's not yours, bro.
That's the rest, mine. What do you mean?
4 digits. ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, let me see the interior, man. I gotta see the interior.
But just make sure the owner doesn't see you. I'm playing.
You know, this is the first time I actually see like a Lamborghini.
Wallah.
Like, from inside, wallah, wallah.
We're gonna go on a fun ride then, inshallah. You know?
ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله.
I have to keep my rules if I'm getting that because it's too small.
I understand what you mean. Yeah, here you have to actually think.
Yeah. Because
Now this is for like a family car, you know.
exactly.
You're talking
Like,
about
I'm a
Lambo
family
SUV.
guy too, you know. Alright guys, we just called the top student at Hustlers Ecom, one of the top students actually, and we're gonna go meet him and I'm gonna give him this Lamborghini to drive for 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever it may be. I'm not sure about his age exactly. I'm pretty sure he's 18. He looks 18, but we're gonna go ask him if he has license and all of that stuff. If he does, he's gonna be able to drive this beautiful Lamborghini right over here, you know, around his area and around Dubai. So we're just gonna give it to him, guys, because he deserves it. You know, being a top student at Hustlers Ecom, you guys already know it's a big deal, and you know, you need to have something special for yourself. So if you guys are inside our WAP, which you guys must join, inshallah, you're gonna be able to get flyovers, which means that you're gonna get flyover another country to Dubai. You're gonna get rides with me in my Rolls Royce, whatever car that I get, travel with me, even stay in the private, you know, connections that we have, and inshallah enjoy the benefits that I've built myself. So if you guys want to be a part of it, this is one of the best opportunities for you guys, and I just hope you guys do not miss out on this golden opportunity. Take advantage of it while you can, inshallah. Guys, I'm here at the location and I'm about to surprise one of our top students who has hit his first ever 5 figures through dropshipping at the age of 17 only. Literally 17 years old, hitting his first ever 5 figure through dropshipping. And I think it's best if we surprise him with a ride in this Lamborghini Urus. I think he deserves it, and I think he even deserves more than this, which again, we're planning for our students, especially the ones that do not quit, the ones that always persuades their dream and actually makes it come true. Come on! Wa alaikum assalam. No worries, how are you, brother? How's everything?
Good, everything's
Very good to see you, bro.
Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Imran. Talk to us, brother. How are you? How's everything?
Good, everything's good.
Alhamdulillah, brother. We actually wanted to surprise you with the Lamborghini. Why don't we hop on and go on a ride?
I bet.
Let's do it, wallah. Alright guys, we're here with Imran, one of our top students, mashallah. How do you feel about hitting that target?
Honestly, bro, when Hustlers Ecom first came out, I was making nothing. But then when 2.0 came out, all the sales started coming in, and it's just like an amazing feeling.
Alhamdulillah, we're updating the course regularly, more videos coming out very soon. So right now, we're gonna go on a Lamborghini. Actually, I wanted you to drive, wallah, but unfortunately, since
I'm not 18 yet, it's
since
tragic.
you're not 18, that's gonna be an issue. That's the point, guys. You should never give up, and he is literally 17 years old, hitting these numbers, these targets. Never quit, never give up, guys, because if I could do it, if Imran, our top student, who literally started from no knowledge, nothing at all, and got to this position, could do it, I mean, what's gonna stop you guys from doing it? So keep pushing, guys, and inshallah you will achieve whatever you want in this life, of course. We're gonna meet a few more people right now, guys, so it's even gonna be more exciting. You know, show them the car, see if they approve it or not.
They have space, yeah.
How are you? How's everything? We're doing good.
How's everyone in
Ara.
one place, ya akhi?
Alhamdulillah.
Amran, Nabil, Amran.
Wallah,
Bro, don't put that in.
this is second time.
سيارة جديدة. Was good vlog?
We got Ali.
Yo.
Where's Ara?
MashaAllah.
Yo.
So I missed out on my need for work.
I can't wait. What is this?
Can't see, man.
Oh, it's a Urus, bro. MashaAllah. That's crazy, bro. Looks fire, bro.
Approved or not? What do you guys think?
Amazing.
Bro, wallah. Congratulations, bro. MashaAllah.
It's not
This is
mine.
sick.
It's not mine. It's not mine.
I'm sorry for acting like you're rich, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry, man.
It's not mine.
No, wallah,
I
it's
have to
sick.
go.
It's sick, man.
It's done.
It's done.
Not late.
It's done.
This week, inshallah.
MashaAllah. Wallah, it's actually sick. It's a sick car, wallah. MashaAllah.
Telling to get rid of the roads and get the number.
Wallah.
What do you guys think?
It's good. No, it's a good option.
New.
Because in Lamborghini, I only like the Urus. The
Yeah?
small
The
Lamborghinis,
small ones
it's
are
very
so
uncomfortable.
wallahi.
So
يلا علي. Private.
like the small
Mom,
Lamborghinis.
stop with your lame ass jokes.
Alright guys, alhamdulillah, we're gonna be ending the day right over here. I think all of my friends approved it. Most of them did say that the Porsche would be a good option, but I would have to keep my Rolls Royce for that because, you know, the Rolls Royce, you cannot be having it as a daily driving car and as well as not having a fast car beside it. But this one right over here has everything so nicely, so perfectly, guys. So I'm still debating it, guys. So inshallah, I'm gonna see what's best option and then I'm gonna choose whatever it may be. Of course, the car that I'm gonna buy is not gonna be exactly this car right over here. Could be better than this, inshallah, with low mileage or low kilometers. Maybe a 3-digit number plate too, inshallah. You guys don't know yet, but that's the plan, inshallah, what I'm gonna be trying to work out. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video until now. Make sure you guys drop a comment saying camera if you guys want to win the $150 giveaway. I'll be choosing the giveaway winner within 1 or 2 weeks of this video, and I'll be doing more giveaways, so make sure you drop a subscribe, inshallah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.